Yeah, is this the tree guy?
Yes, this is.
Hey, quick question. I had seen that ad on Craigslist.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some tree service leads for your business?
It just depends. What kind of were you offering?
Well, I specialize in social media. I've been doing it for 7 years. I'm very good at it. I work with a few other companies right now, and I'm able to generate them anywhere from 3 to 4 leads a day. I wanted to shoot you an email so you could kind of take a look at who I am and what I can do. Do you only advertise on Craigslist, or do you do other stuff to get the word out about your company?
We do a couple other things to get the word out.
Like what?
I'm kind of looking for more advertisement. Like we use Yelp. I use a little bit of the Facebook and um, just kind of things of that nature.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, how big is your crew?
Uh, at least 5 to 6 people.
Oh, okay. So you guys can definitely handle an extra 2 to 3 jobs a day or somewhere right up in there.
It just kind of depends.
Yeah, yeah. Depends on what size tree you cutting down.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely, and how much workload and where it is, what it is. You know what I mean? Kind
yeah.
of. It just depends because we've been getting a little bit of work already, but I never want to turn down money. So
Money, exactly. You're a smart business owner. Most of the guys I talk to, they're kind of closed minded, which is fine. But during the pandemic, you always got to keep your options open and keep your guys busy because they have families too. You know what I mean?
of course,
Yeah. Okay. Well, what's your name?
my name's Kevin.
Kevin. Okay, so Kevin, my company is RMI, and basically, like I said, I've been doing this a long time. I'm very good. I only work with a select group of people that are serious, that believe in marketing. You know what I mean? And you understand it takes money to make money. If we were to partner up, I will make sure you got calls coming in and you guys are making money, plain and simple. I'm not, super expensive, but I'm not the cheapest guy either because I get you 100% results. I'm able to take
So
your company
that,
from where
how
it's
does
at
that
now to
payment?
more. What was that?
How would that payment work? Like, would we be able to do business after the first week came in, or
Oh
how would
yeah,
that work?
of course, of course. Yeah, before we do business together. I know you guys, or you probably have encountered other businesses that have offered you an opportunity and they didn't provide results and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're the right candidate, you're serious. I know I can take your company to the next level. Then yes, I'll give you an opportunity to kind of see what I can do. And then once I prove myself, let's just make money together. So yeah, we could definitely do that. No problem at all. Okay.
Okay, definitely. And what would be the once we do? What would be the price per lead?
You know what? It depends. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the details, and then we'll have another conversation first thing in the morning, and I'll just kind of get an idea of what area and stuff like that, and the type of jobs you want, and then we'll put together a price, and then we'll just crush it pretty much. But I want to kind of find out a little bit more about what you guys do and what you specialize in, and then I'll put something together for you. No problem at all. Okay.
Okay,
All
sounds
right.
good.
All right. And Kevin, what's your best email address?
At yahoo.com.
Okay, yahoo.com. And are you guys a 30-mile radius outside of the Sacramento area or where?
Yes,
Oh, perfect, perfect. All right. Kevin, how long have you been in the tree business?
I'd say about 15 years, give or take a year.
Oh, man. Okay. 15 years. Wow. So you know your stuff.
I like to think I do a little bit.
Yeah, 15 years. Yeah, that's good, man. And okay,
Definitely.
so Kevin, when would be a good time to follow with you in the morning? What time?
You can give me a call. What's tomorrow, Monday? You can give me
Yeah,
a call around 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. So I'll send you over the email and also text you too, just in case you're out in the field. And then that'll give you a little information about who I am. And then we'll get on the phone. We'll discuss pricing, all that good stuff. And then if you like it, I'll go ahead and set it up, get you a couple leads. If that makes sense, we'll push the button and we'll just blow this thing up, man. No problem at all. And then too, Kevin, I want to find out the needs of your company. I don't know where you guys want to take it, but wherever you want to take the company, I can definitely position you to do that, because in order to grow your business, it's all about, the marketplace, how much of the market you're getting. And when you start to market online, social media, there's so many people and so many avenues I can take you to make sure you guys are making a ton of money. So I want to just know what your thoughts are and where you want to position your company. And if you can tell me that, then I can kind of gauge that and say, hey, Kevin, this is where we need to be to take you from where you are now to generate, let's say, maybe an extra 100K or 200K, depending on what you guys can do and where you want to be. Does that make sense?
No, that makes perfect sense.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
I, like every other businessman, I want my company to be at its fullest capacity. You know what I mean? Like, definitely the biggest it can be. So
got you. So in other words, I don't know, and then we'll talk about that too, as far as the trucks and vehicles you got. You want everybody out there working pretty much. You don't want no trucks parked. Is that what I'm hearing, Kevin? Okay, cool. Well, we're on the same page, Kevin. I like this, man. I really do. So I'll call you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'll send you over the details, and then we'll just take it from there.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Kevin. Have a great night.
No problem. Thank you. You do the same.
Okay, likewise. Bye-bye. Booyah! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that was just a random call. This is how you make money. I just wanted to do this for you guys, just to show you this is the process of going from where you are now to making $10,000 a month. It starts with one call. Each call brings you closer to your goal. So my point is, if you guys are struggling to get clients, you don't have clients, it's because you're not active or not. You're not doing the thing. You got to do the thing. Prospecting is the key. You got to get in front of quality business owners. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Business owners are everywhere. You can go on Yelp. You can go on Google, Craigslist. They're everywhere. Okay, this guy was just waiting. He was open. And I want you guys to go back and listen to this call. Go back and internalize the call. Okay, you see how the conversation went. You guys know my scripts and my rebuttals and my stuff work. I've put it out there for you guys. A lot of you guys aren't taking advantage of it. You also can copy my whole system. Click the link in the description and you can get the whole ICP course, print the scripts, print the rebuttals, learn how to close. I got my closing questions. Everything you guys need to be successful is right there at your fingertips, but you are in the way of your own success. So get out the way of your success, get the tools, get the necessary things, roll your sleeves up and go to work. Go to work, go to work, go to work. You guys gotta work, okay? Whatever you want in life, you gotta work for it. And this is not hard work. We're not talking about back-breaking labor. When you gotta break your back. All you need to do, folks, set aside a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day and do the thing. Pick this phone up, okay, and go to work. All right, do it consistently and religiously, ladies and gentlemen. Commit. When I was starting my agency, just like you, buying courses, doing the YouTube thing, trying to find my way, wanted to fire my 9-to-5 job, I got serious. Ladies and gentlemen, until you get serious, you won't make the big money. What do I mean? When you commit to making calls every single day, okay? You commit to making calls every single day, you'll see your bank account increase. You'll give yourself more options, meaning you can fire your job. You can eat at better restaurants. You can live in better neighborhoods. You can drive better automobiles because it's all about the work you put in. The reason why you're not getting where you want to get to, ladies and gentlemen, is because you're not putting in the work. So what I'm going to do is challenge you guys to put in the work. Okay, you're going to suck at it as first. For all my new people, all of my people with fears and phobias, you're afraid of the phone. Get over it, okay? How do you get over it? One call at a time, getting used to talking to business owners, okay? Now, here's the dilemma here. This is a tree company, okay? I already know that once I set this guy up, all right, this is going to be a potential $3,000 to $4,000 a month client, okay? Think about that. Picking up the phone, and now here I am, got the potential to close a $3,000 to $4,000 a month deal. Okay. Now, here's why. I know the niche. Okay. Arborists make tons of money to chop down trees. Okay. I'm going to put together a decent package for him. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to crush it for him. All right. And I'm going to make money. Why? Because I picked up the phone. And all you got to do is pick up this phone. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. Watch it over and over, okay? Just see how simplistic this was. And if you guys want to lock arms, you want all the scripts and the courses, you say, Maurice, I want the whole thing, click the link in the description. Sign up for the Instant Client Pro course, powerful course. I literally start a brand new agency, no brand, no clients, no clients, no brand, no agency, just starting all over, okay? Showing you guys what I would do, okay? And you guys can copy it. I pretty much did it in like 7 days, signed up 3 clients in 7 days. If you've been doing this a long time and you still are struggling, click the link in the description. You can sign up for coaching also, and we can possibly work together one-on-one. You can sign up for the 10K coaching program that I got to take you from 0 to 10K, all right? Now, that's not a cheap program, all right? It's for those that are just sick and tired, and you have a large investment, and you just want to get to the money as soon as possible and as quick as possible. You guys can sign up for that coaching, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, hope this has been of immense value. If it has, hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, make sure you subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.